This is what can happen to your sprayer if you don't jar test. Why is it important to do a jar test? Well, I'm gonna show you today, and we're gonna gel some stuff up. If you look right here, we've got our Advanced Cal and our 318/18 Plus. We get questions all the time if we can mix these together. I'm gonna show you just what it'll do inside your tank, which is always pretty fun. So we've already got Advanced Cal here in this container. The key is you get a good container like this, you add in some water to simulate diluting it in your spray tank. After you do that, take our 318/18 Plus, gonna mix it in here like this, put the lid on, and do a little shake, shake, shake. Leave that for about 20 minutes. Make sure everything stays in consistency. Now take a look at this and this reaction coming out of it. Oh, there, look at that sludge. All that will clog up your nozzles like you wouldn't believe. Crazy. You've got right here sediment starting to form in the bottom of the tank. What's happening is that 318/18 is increasing the pH of the solution and dropping it out of solution. So you can see the sediment starting to form right there in the bottom. You can see a lot better on that camera. Potassium and phosphorus will fall out of solution and collect on the bottom. But this is what's gonna clog up your spray nozzles, clog up your filters, and just gunk up the tank. And this is why it's so important to do a jar test, because it's better to gel up a container like this, but you don't need to use nearly as much as what we're using right here. We wanted to give you a larger container just so that way you could see what this would look like in a larger size. Solo cup or jar to take this jar test is a great way to go. But if you look right there, that's all sediment. It's solid sediment that's coming in that's going to clog up your sprayer and make for a very, very bad day. This reaction can happen with a lot more things than just your 318/18 and Advanced Cal. It's important to jar test anything you're mixing together, so that way you don't have a reaction like this out in the field, and it'll save you a lot of time and a lot of money on wasted products. Well, it's been about 30 minutes, and this is the reaction that we're seeing off of it. If you look right here, it's turned into a solid block, which is just absolutely crazy. This kind of a block would take a lot of surfactant or a lot of emulsifier to get out of your spray tank, and it's a lot better to see this reaction happen in a controlled environment like a jar than in your spray tank. Saves you a lot of time and a lot of headache. So don't forget to jar test. Golly, dude. Do you want to see it?
So that's what it would do in a tanker if a tanker wasn't washed?
Yeah. You're in a tanker, spray tank. Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy? Ow! We're doing a jar test. Can you guess what we mixed together?
What is it?
Advanced Cal 318/18.
Yuck.
Yeah.
That looks disgusting.
Do you want that in your sprayer?
No, that's gross. That would be such a pain to try and clean out the bottom. Like, look at that.
It's solid.
It's solid. It's not even falling out. Oh, there we go. Oh, oh, oh. Can I shake it? Will it explode?
I don't think so.
Oh, look, it's still a mess. Look at all those chunkies. Oh, it's on me.
Just nutrients.
And what are you doing with it?
Showing people why it's important to take a jar test.
Because it turns out like that, and then you have to clean your sprayer.
Yeah.
And we don't want you to be mad at us.
And waste a bunch of good product.
And money. So does it do something similar just like that if I mix like Roundup or 2,4-D? Is
Kind of similar. So 2,4-D has a quicker reaction time and it doesn't settle as much. It turns to like a white solid that floats on the surface.
So like crystallizes inside or something?
Yeah, kind of. I could bring some Roundup. We can do a Roundup one.
As long as it doesn't explode.
I don't want to explode.
I don't know.
I'm gonna go throw this in the dumpster. Oh, you can really see it on the light now. Chunky, chunky. This is what can happen to your sprayer if you don't do a jar test. Like and subscribe.